Hello and welcome, dear children. Today we will continue with Standard 6 Civics, Chapter number 4, Urban Local Government Bodies. This is part 2 of the lesson. In our last session, we have understood about the facilities like opportunities of industry and business, large scale job opportunities, and many more. Similarly, we also came to know about various serious problems faced by the people living in cities like shortage of housing, insufficient space, problems related to disposal of waste, increase in the crime rate. To look after these problems of the cities, we require an administrative council so that they will look into the problems and help in better and smooth functioning of the city. So you see, the urban local government body works at 3 levels. The first level is the Nagar Panchayat. The second is Municipal Council. And the third one is Municipal Corporation. Now, let us understand each one in detail. A Nagar Panchayat takes care of the area which is neither fully rural nor fully urban. Means what? Which is neither totally under village area and neither totally in city area. Now here the villages that are still in the developing state to form a town with the population more than 11,000 and less than 25,000 are taken care and looked after by Nagar Panchayat. The elections of the Nagar Panchayat are held after every 5 years. The councillors or ward members are chosen by direct elections from electoral wards. The structure and functions of the Nagar Panchayat are decided by the state government. As we all know, children, the person having the nationality of India with age 18 and above had the right to vote. For the upliftment of the weaker sections of the society, the government has kept some seats reserved. So, the 1/3 of the seats are reserved for scheduled caste, then scheduled tribe, backward classes and women. After the direct elections are over and once we get several leaders from different wards, they too need a leader to take care of them. So these elected members or the councillors choose a president and a vice president from among themselves. Now, once the members of Nagar Panchayat take up the charge, they have to perform various functions for the upliftment of the town. You can see the list given below, what all functions they have to do. The first one we can see street lighting and providing roads in every ward and main roads of the town. This is the first one. Second, to provide water supply to every wards of urban area. The third one we can see is to run schools in urban areas, and like that many other functions they have to perform. I have listed just a few. Next, we will also talk about Municipal Council. Now, Municipal Council is the form of the local government body for a small city. Keep this in mind. Municipal Council is for small city with population of more than 1 lakh. The members of the municipal council are elected again after every 5 years. Okay, so the town is divided into wards during elections. Okay, depending upon the population. Now the representatives are elected separately from each ward. So every ward they get a representative. Then the elected representatives functions as a corporators. You must have heard about this word. He is a corporator of so and so place. He is corporator from so and so ward, isn't it? So the members, now these corporators, what do? These members elect a president and a vice president among themselves. The president presides over the meetings. He is actually the chairman of the meeting. The vice president takes the charge of all the work in the absence of president. In case the president is not available that time, then who takes care? Yes, the vice president takes care of all the work that has to be done in absence of the president. Okay, so all the members of the municipal council have to perform various obligatory functions. Now obligatory functions means what? Compulsory functions. See, they are responsible for, as I have told you, lighting of the street light, then providing drinking water, public hygiene, then sewage disposal, registration of birth or death and marriages, etc. So all these they have to do. They are the compulsory functions. Now first we have seen in the village level, then we have seen in the small city level. Okay, so similar kind of functions they have to do at different levels. Now apart from compulsory functions, there are some functions which are also said to be additional functions or additional facilities that they provide. This is done by the municipal council, which are known as discretionary functions. What does that mean now? Discretionary functions means what? They are not compulsory, like creating public gardens or parks, or planning new public roads, or improving the condition of the slum areas. Such functions are not compulsory, they are not obligatory, they are called as discretionary functions. Now see children, when the government has to make various plans for the betterment of people, for example, planning good roads or providing street lights, they too need money or finance for that purpose. From where do they get this money? The government collect money in the form of tax from the people. For example, property tax, education tax, water tax, tax on markets. You all must have heard people saying or talking about GST. What does GST mean? GST means goods and services tax. So all these taxes are collected by the government for the upliftment and for the better functioning of the city. So whatever money they take from the people, that money is used for the sake of the people. Children, now we will stop here and we will revise some of the important questions from the lesson that we have studied today. First question, name the following questions. First one, the Nagar Panchayat elects these members among themselves. Answer is President and Vice President. Next question, the chairman of all the meetings of the municipal council. Yes, correct. It is President. Third question, in the absence of the President, he looks after the work of municipal council. Yes, the answer is Vice President. So when President is not there, his work is looked after by Vice President. Next question, where does the Nagar Panchayat function? The Nagar Panchayat functions in those areas which are neither fully rural nor fully urban. And now the last question is, you have to write any two functions of municipal council. The first function you can say lighting of public streets. Next one is providing drinking water. You can add to this many more functions are there which municipal council does. As we have studied in this video, everybody should know all the other functions also. Okay, so that's all in today's video. The remaining part, little part is left, that we will be continuing in our next video, that is part 3 video. Thank you, children.